What up, YouTube? This is Woody coming back with another ride review. Today we're in Columbus, Ohio at the AM Expo, and we're at the Harley Davidson truck. We're getting ready to ride the 2020 Harley Davidson Road King Special. Has the 114. This awesome paint job. Very cool paint job. I like the blue. I like the stripes going down it. Really good looking bike. And get on it. What am I doing wrong? Oh, I gotta turn the knob. Gosh dang it. I always forget that on these baggers. Yeah, accessory button. Alright, get it up. It's heavy coming off the peg, or off the kickstand. It is a neutral, imagine that. I wonder what that is. Anyways, let's do this. To start out, let's start out the ride review right. I am 6'1", 200 pounds. I got a 36-inch inseam. I fit on the bike fairly well. Arms straight out from my chest. Floorboards, plenty of room to move around. My leg against the breather, but if I kind of relax my legs, let them hang a little bit, it's good. Nice and comfy seat. These bagger seats are comfortable. These bagger seats are comfy. And these 114s do pull. They pull so nice, so very nice. Nice Jeep. Nice and smooth over the bumps. Very comfortable. Very comfortable. Tactile shifting like always. Never even put my foot down right there. I love that torque. Love that torque. Very well balanced. The clutch, the clutch lever is kind of heavy on these baggers. Kind of heavy on these baggers. The torque is so addicting. I feel way more confident and comfortable on this bike than I did the Street Glide. Way more, because I don't have that big fairing in front of me. And that fairing, until you get used to it, can be a little intimidating. I don't ride them, so I'm not used to it. But this, without that, it's not intimidating. It is comfortable. Cruising 60 mile an hour in third gear. It takes a little bit when you're changing lanes. If you don't change lanes kind of aggressively, it takes a minute for the self-canceling turn signals to turn off. The other thing I noticed on this bike now and the other on the Street Glide Special that I rode, the throttle is kind of heavy, so I kind of get fatigue in my forearm right there from holding the throttle open. I don't know. That bump took me off the seat. This is a very short route. If ride reviews are what you're into, I got a lot of them. Check out my channel. A lot of Harleys, a lot of Suzukis, a couple of KTMs, two Kawasaki's, a handful, a bunch of them. I've done a bunch of them. The thing about this route is so short, and you're going through interchanges the whole time, so I never really get it up to speed. Like, I could put it up in 5th gear, but I've yet to get one of these in 6th gear. Not that I haven't needed it, because by the time you get up to 60 mile an hour, and we're going to be slowing down up here tremendously. You got to get way over. See, you gotta go across all that just to get right back off the highway. Very short route. I like this bike. I like this bike. So comfortable. Handles nice. Takes the bumps well. Takes the bumps well. I don't want to go too deep with these bags will. This will scrape. Oh, he made it. I should have waited, but it's good. He made it. It leans over decent. How much farther do you want to lean over on a bike this big? I like it. I love the floorboards. They're comfortable. I like that they're not too out in front of you. That way you can use all the boards. You can come back here. You can go up front. Brakes are good. Brakes are good.
It's so hard to see those arrows.
Oh yeah. That interchange.
You're hoping you know where you're going.
I do. That interchange is crazy.
Yeah.
We're going to turn up here at this light. We'll turn right and then we'll be back where we started. CVO 117. See how easy it is to get it in neutral. Nope. None of them. None of them. Great bike. This is a bagger I could see myself getting. It wouldn't be too big to commute on. It would definitely, it wouldn't be too big to commute on. It'd commute fine. I wouldn't want to commute on a street glide or a road glide. But this wouldn't be bad. I wouldn't mind this. Wait for these walkers to walk. So smooth in first gear. So smooth. This is a very comfortable riding position. I think it's the same seating position as the Street Glide and the Road Glide. It's comfortable. These are fun. They're fun. So comfy on my hiney. This seat is the seat's where it's at. This seat is the crapper. It's awesome. It's the shiz for sure. Cool little building, old building. I like running around downtown in these big cities. I enjoy it. Man, these lights, you'll about hit every one. If you don't go through some of these yellows, you'll hit every single one of them. Boosas, boosa bro. Anyways, this is going to be the end of the ride. Hopefully you liked it. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you didn't, hit that dislike button. If you ain't subscribed, please subscribe today. I'll catch you on the next video. This is Woody. Peace in the mouth.